Josh here, getting ready to check out Pioneer Park in Fairbanks, Alaska. There's a lot of area out here and they allow boondocking and camping, so you see a lot of RVs and campers. It's just a really cool place. They come out here and check it out. It's free entry into the park. We're going to see what it's all about. Pioneer Park, located in Fairbanks, Alaska, is an expansive 44-acre historical theme park. Upon entering the park, the building to the left is the Alaskan Fine Arts Museum. Let's see what's up with this paddle boat. This is the SS Nenana. Nenana is a town here close to Fairbanks. This was a steamer pusher paddle boat. Good morning. There's the saloon, the Palace Saloon. Roadhouse. Big Stampede Show. There's crows everywhere.
Winter is coming.
Grand Igloo. The Pioneers of Alaska is an organization that's designed to preserve the names of all Alaska's pioneers on its rolls, to collect and preserve the literature and incidents of Alaska's history, and to promote the best interests of Alaska. Man, that's cool. This is a wood cutting truck. Talking about this guy here, Bill Sherwin, who was known as Woodsaw Bill. But he built this truck, which has an attached sawmill to it. That's just some cool Alaskan ingenuity. Operated for 20 years. This thing just whines and So we are going to walk inside the Harding car here. It's a train that they have on display. It's part of the Denali Railroad. Well, I said we were, but we're just going to peek inside now. They have it locked up. Wow, just so ornate. Beautiful designs. This is the Sternwheeler Lavelle Young. I guess this is the this is just the helm here. We're gonna check this out. Wow, look at that big wheel. Man, yeah, this is just the wheelhouse. A little different kind of cruising than we're used to. This is talking about the Sternwheeler and her journey on the Yukon River. Oh, okay, so they discovered Fairbanks on the Sternwheeler. Wow. This is the Lavelle Young. It's worth what's left of the wheelhouse. Man. It's just amazing how recent some of this history was. Yet it's still just, those are some roughneck folks that grew up around here and that did all this frontier work. This dude has a pet quail or whatever kind of bird that is. That's cool. Swords. Big dog.
She goes on her walk. So we give her a little.
What kind of bird is she? I'm sorry.
Grouse.
Grouse?
Rough grouse.
Rough grouse.
So we give her a little grousey exercise to get some of her energy out.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Everybody says to me, you want her facing you.
I think so too.
What's up, baby? What's up? What's up with you? Getting better.
That's cool.
Yeah, she's a tiny bit scroungy. She's getting ready to go into the mold.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get as many bugs into her. She needs the protein to get her feathers back.
So look at her claws.
Yeah, they're her feet are modified scales for walking on snow.
That's crazy.
Buddy.
What's up, buddy? Thank you so much.
All right, my pleasure.
All right, guys, so we are walking up on the playground here, and Sean and I have a question for you. So, is that the Wally World moose, or is that Bullwinkle?
Drop your answers in the comments. We'll also have a poll. Only $5 to take a ride on the Gold Dust line. So I think Sean and I may, if we're still here, we may take a trip on the Gold Dust line. But really cool playground area here.
All like spread out and everything, but pond area.
Oh, that's cool.
Fire it up.
Oh, that's awesome. Howdy. Oh yeah. Awesome. Wow.
Tolerate the smoke for food to come off.
Oh, I can tolerate it. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, she's fully steam operated, so it's the real deal.
Wow. There's not many of these that are still running, I wouldn't think. That is so cool.
It runs on smoke.
I love how free everything is here and open, and folks are just so inviting. It's like over at the steam train. And it's like, hey, if you can deal with the smoke, you're welcome to get as close as you want to. It's just so cool. So this is part of the native village. So some of this stuff is it's like some of the native huts, and I don't know what you'd call it. I don't know if it's a hut. Looks like a hut, kind of log cabin of sorts. And gotta have an outhouse. Over there is the Air Museum at Pioneer Park. Farthest north, Square and Round Dance Center. Oh yeah, there's a whole lot more stuff.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Model dredge. Steam operated shovel. Made out of wood. Look at that guy. Wow. It's a salmon bake. They're open from like 5 to 9 all the way through September. I think that's when they close up. It's an excursion. This is an excursion area for some of the river cruises that go through Alaska.
What an amazing day at Pioneer Park in Fairbanks, Alaska. If this is something you're considering, by all means go. It's fantastic. All the Pioneer representative things that are in there, the historical things, is just awesome. It's a great day. It's time well spent. Please go. Also, if you liked what you're seeing, liked what you're hearing, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a dime, helps us out a ton, and we'd greatly appreciate it. And as always, come on over and join the Moonlight Mafia. We have cocktails.